Hello, in this video, we'll explain how to create long videos like this using AI, watermark-free, for publishing on YouTube and TikTok and making a profit from them. Watch the video till the end to get amazing results. This is the website interface we'll be discussing. Search for it on Google by typing Mootion.com. The interface looks great, but to continue, click on Create Stories for free here. You can sign up with your Gmail, email, or other methods. I'll be signing up using my email. This is the website's interface, and here are the videos created through it. You can see some amazing videos designed with this tool, and if you click on more, you'll see more videos. To proceed, click on Generate, then Generate from Prompt. This screen will appear, where you can add the text or topic to generate the story from. Here, you can also choose video dimensions as multiple options are available. Here, you can select the language in which the story will be created, and here, the video style has multiple options. You can choose characters that suit various videos. These are ready-made ideas you can use to create a story. But I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate any story you want. For example, I'll ask it to create a story about a person named Tom who lives in a beautiful garden filled with flowers and natural scenery. I'll wait until it prepares the story. Once done, I'll copy the text and return to the design interface to paste the text here. I'll select the video dimension. I'll go with this one. For the video language, I'll choose English, keep natural as it is, and pick a character or video style. I'll go with this character as it suits Tom in the story. Here are some other ready-made ideas to create a story, but I'll proceed by pressing Generate. After waiting a few seconds, you'll see the video scenes. You can edit, add, or delete scenes. But let's continue by pressing Next here. You can choose the font. I'll choose this one, and for the subtitles, I'll go with this. For the thumbnail, I'll pick this one. Here, for scene effects, I'll select this option. Then, for scene transitions, I'll choose this one. Next, there's a variety of voices to
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
Hi there, if I'm not back in 5 minutes, just wait longer.
try. I prefer this voice for the story. I don't need music, so I'll continue and press Composite now. Wait a moment. This site provides a summary of the story, hashtags, and a script for the video. Now, we'll wait until the story production finishes. The story is complete. Let's watch a part of it.
Tom had always lived in the city, but his city was different. It wasn't the typical hustle and bustle, all concrete and high-rises. His city, nestled in a valley, surrounded by gentle hills, was a place where nature coexisted harmoniously with urban life.
It looks very good. I'll download the video from here and the thumbnail from here. You can also download the storyboard if you want. Let's check the result after downloading it.
Tom had always lived in the city, but his city was different. It wasn't the typical hustle and bustle, all concrete and high-rises. His city, nestled in a valley, surrounded by gentle hills, was a place where nature coexisted harmoniously with urban life. Fields of wildflowers stretched as far as the eye could see, and rivers sparkled under the bright sun. The scent of fresh pine mingled with the warm breeze that blew through the streets, while birds sang above in the thick canopies of trees lining every block. Tom had grown up exploring these landscapes. As a child, he spent his afternoons running through the meadows, chasing butterflies, and fishing in crystal-clear streams. As he grew older, his love for the outdoors only deepened. He often found himself waking before dawn, eager to take long walks along the dewy fields or hike up to one of the many lookouts where he could watch the sunrise paint the sky in shades of gold and pink. The city had a small population, and most of the people knew each other. Despite the modern amenities, there was a sense of old-world charm. Cobblestone streets wound through the town, and every house had a garden overflowing with blooms.
It's indeed very impressive. I hope you benefited from this website and got great results. Let me know your opinions in the comments and stay tuned for more explanations about the site in upcoming videos. Goodbye.